What's up, my peeps? Let's break down pattern recognition, pattern interruption, and pattern implementation. Recognition, interruption, and implementation. This is part of the MT33 Author to Architect. This is how you create your own digital twin, spiritual twin, your own alter ego, if you will, because your current ID, your current core belief, your current self-image, your current self-concept, all your life experiences, your life education, your everything that you've learned over the years, success is outside of that person's reach. So we got to create a new version of yourself. The version of you that's already wealthy, already healthy, already wise, and already in a great relationship with yourself, with your source, and with others. So how do we create this new version of yourself? The one that has all of the attributes and characteristics that you really, really believe that you deserve. More importantly, that you are designed and gifted by God to have, to be, and to do. Number one, we got to identify the current habit pattern recognition. When you join the MT33 Author to Architect, I break down how I went from author to architect. As a spiritual architect, as a psychological architect, as an authentic architect, as a conscious architect, and as an entrepreneurial energy architect, I'm able to create the structure or the framework to hold the version of you that is operating on the highest level, that has everything that you desire, that is currently outside of your current narrative or your current framework. We do that by simply recognizing that there are things that you believe that's outside of yourself. In other words, there's things that you currently don't have in your current narrative, in your current belief system. So we got to bring those things into the current narrative. That narrative, that pattern, we have to acknowledge where you are. You have to acknowledge where you're starting. It's just like if you're taking a trip. When you go, you punch in your GPS. You put where you're starting from first, and then you put in where you're going. Same thing with patterns. Patterns are power. Your job is to identify the current pattern. We break that down inside of the Christ Ethiopian or the Ethiopian Christ diagnostic system. It's available. Free quiz available at the website, MT33, Author to Architect. Now, once the pattern is recognized, now it's time to interrupt that pattern. And we interrupt the pattern with the new self, with a higher self. The you that is already wealthy, already healthy, already wise, and already in a great relationship. You can do like, some of the stars do where they create their alter ego, like Kobe Bryant was known as Black Mamba on the court. Like Beyonce supposedly has an alter ego called Sasha. Now, it's totally up to you as further whether or not you want to go as far as actually naming your alter ego or the version of you that already has everything that you desire. But you interrupt the pattern. See, there is a loop that's playing in your brain. There's a pattern that says, oh man, life is hard. There's a pattern in your brain that says, I can only make X amount of dollars. So every time that pattern, every time that thought loop shows up in your brain, interrupt it by identifying with the new pattern. So you have a current habit pattern. You replace the current habit pattern with the new life-sustaining pattern. Now, don't try to convince yourself that you deserve it or that you have it. Just simply play it. Because, see, the reticular activating system, the brain doesn't care if it's true or not. The brain only cares if it's frequently repeated with emotion. So when the brain says, oh man, this is not going to work, immediately interrupt that pattern with that this is going to work. So make sure that number one, pattern recognition. Number two is pattern interruption. Make sure you interrupt the negative or the current pattern with the new life-sustaining pattern. And once you recognize the pattern and then interrupt it by interjecting a new narrative, a new story, a new pattern, now it's time to maintenance. It's time to continue. It's time to implement it. How do you implement it? By keep saying the same pattern over and over and over again. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am wise. I'm in a great relationship with myself, with my God, and with others. Every time the old pattern shows up, interrupt the old pattern with the new pattern. Implementation. Pattern implementation is extremely important when it comes to achieving your destination. Now, obviously, if it was this easy, everybody and their grandmother would be doing it. So I've created a 6-month individual protocol that's based upon space, that's based upon your spiritual, psychological, authentic, Christ-conscious energy. Whatever level that you're at, you take the free test or the quiz at the website, MT33 Author to Architect. Take the free quiz at the website, MT33 Author to Architect. That exposes the pattern. Once you expose the pattern and you recognize that pattern, that interrupts the loop. That interrupts the pattern. And you keep interrupting that pattern every time it shows up. And you interrupt it by implementing the new pattern. What is the new pattern? The new pattern is by taking the acronym S.P.A.C.E. and reverse it. You start with the E, and then the C, and then the A, and then the P, and then the S. I break it down step by step. 6 months, 150 days, where every day you're giving specific protocol, step by step, no guesswork, to recognize the code or the old pattern. Interrupt, stop, cancel that old pattern, and then implement, replace, restructure, restore with the new pattern. That is the Christ Ethiopian diagnostic system, what I call S.P.A.C.E. Spiritual, psychological, authentic, Christ-conscious, entrepreneurial energy. So when you're ready, and a special discount for the next 10 people that go to the website, MT33 Author to Architect, and take the free quiz, I got a special bonus or a special discount for the next 10 people who go to the website and take the free quiz at MT33 Author to Architect.com. Love you. Appreciate you. Let's make this transition. Because if you want to win, you have to go within. Pattern recognition, pattern interruption, and then pattern implementation. It is time to implement your God-given destiny. Go to the website, MT33 Author to Architect. Take the free quiz today. Let's go.